One step only for editing beauty photo. Use Smooth Skin AI tool. Adjust the eclipse shape to fill all the subject face. Enter to run the process. The tool will calculate to smoothen and remove skin defects. After processing, layer mask created by the tool appear. Use Photoshop brush tool and pick white color. Change the suitable brush size to the face, then brush. Make sure you only press on the skin, not to the edge where the contrast is visible. There you go. The changes are completely blow my mind. This tool is so much handy for a photographer when dealing with beauty photos. You don't have to spend tons of time for using dodge and burn anymore. Adjust the opacity if you want to apply to the area near the edges. Before, after. Amazing, right? The skin texture is still intact for you. It still looks real and natural. Easy peasy. Sorry, your editing photo solution.